Hey y'all, welcome to another grocery haul. I'm gonna share with y'all some stuff we picked up for the week. And y'all, groceries just keep getting more and more expensive. This was just right at $200, I think, maybe a little under, because I can't believe it. They were out of lettuce. I was sitting here like planning to make a salad with supper tonight, and there's no lettuce. And I looked at my order and it was one of the things they were out of. I don't know how you're out of lettuce, but anyways, I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you what we got. Okay, y'all, we're gonna start over here. I bought several boxes of cereal because we were just about out, and a lot of times for a snack, this is what we'll grab is cereal. So we have this Kellogg's Crave, which is double chocolate brownie batter. We got the Reese's Puffs and the Fruity Pebbles with marshmallows. I love Fruity Pebbles, and then you get marshmallows, even better. Cinnamon Toast Crunch and Frosted Mini Wheats. I love those. And once again, I think I shared these last time, we get the Great Value Classic Chippers. They're just, to me, like the Chips Ahoy and cheaper. And then we got some granola bars. We got the chewy granola bars, the double chocolate, and then I got the sweet and salty almond granola bars. I think I bought the wrong ones. I think Courtney likes the Great Value ones. My bad. She'll eat them. They'll eat them. We got some napkins. Got some unsweet cold brew, Starbucks brand. And we needed some laundry soaps. We got the Gain Moonlight Breeze. I got the Snuggle scent beads, a gallon of milk, and some heavy whipping cream. Now we'll come over here. I got some green onions. And we like to make these little burritos on the weekend sometime for a quick like lunch or something. I just usually will microwave them for like a minute or two to kind of get them where they're not frozen. And then we put them in the deep fryer. Not the healthiest, but hey. And I've never tried the chili cheese chimichangas, so we got those. And then we usually get these always, the beef, bean, and cheese chimichangas. And then I got some sausage, egg, and cheese sandwiches for the kids' breakfast. And then for easy lunches, meatballs and mozzarella Hot Pockets. And then we got these double stuffed beef taquitos. And here are 2 avocados, green bell pepper, and a few jalapenos. I got this thick and chunky salsa that I'm going to be using for a recipe tonight. And I always like to have some Prego on hand. And the kids have really started liking this cranberry juice. They like the different flavors mixed with it. So I got the tropical. And y'all, this tomato sauce from Walmart is really good. Like if you're making something and you just want to put in some tomato sauce but have a little spice, very good. I like that. Takis are something my son loves and my niece. We got some of the Harvest Cheddar Sun Chips. Oh, tomatoes. I forgot to show those over there. And I like to shred my own cheese now, so I got a big block. This is a 2-pound block of mild cheddar. Then we have an 8-ounce block of mozzarella cheese. And Adrian already grabbed one of these. They're hungry. We just got home from school. But anyways, these are the Yo Crunch M&M yogurts. And then lastly, we got I just got some Suave body wash. This is a Sweet Pea and Violet. A cherry twist Alani. I wanted the watermelon. It is so good. And they said they had it in stock, but then they said they didn't whenever I went to get it. Some heartburn pills, some gum. And then my husband wanted to try some more of a kind of a natural toothpaste that doesn't have fluoride. So I hope that he'll like this Tom's brand. And y'all, I thought I was getting paper plates. I didn't pay attention. So I've got bowls. So we got some bowls. And yeah. So there is our quick little grocery haul that was basically $200. And in case, I've said this before, but just in case you're new, we have lots of meat in our freezer. We had a cow processed, and I have a lot of chicken from back when we had raised some chicken still in the freezer. So I don't have to buy meat a lot. So in case you're wondering like what meat we eat, that is what we eat. So anyways, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.